It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets you will be checking out, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator, and of course we will be going on with the analysis right away. So this had been an uptrend right from this support zone. That is why we have the yellow flag and of course the blue arrow signifying an uptrend and a buying a buying section. Okay, so right from there it kept on buying until it got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, went back up again, and of course it is selling at the moment, and it will be making an attempt to break out from this support zone. Once it breaks out from there, it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It went on downtrend right from here. That is why we have this red flag and the red arrow, and it kept on selling, played around there for a while, but got to this support zone 2 times, was unable to break out from there, and it has started an uptrend right from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Crash 1000 started from the support zone and it started buying until it got to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above it, so we are most likely to have a downtrend, more of a downtrend right from there. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity, most especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 started a downtrend from the resistance zone, got to the support zone, had a major pullback, and went back there to break out below the support zone, and of course it had a pullback again and went back down to break out below it, and of course this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75. It was on uptrend before. That is why we have the yellow flag, and it kept on buying till it got to the resistance zone. Since it was unable to break out above it, it has started a downtrend right from there, got to this support zone, had a pullback and playing around there for a while, but it's most likely to try out this support zone again, and once it breaks out below it, it's going to sell for a very long time. But if it's unable to break out below it and it breaks out above this resistance zone, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is very important. So we expect more of a selling, except if it's unable to break out from that support zone and it breaks out above the resistance zone, then definitely it's going to buy more. So you should take note of that, and of course make sure you put all these into practice while you are trading. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me whenever you have any question. Okay, so this is very important, and of course you are also free to browse through the channel to learn the strategies and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. If you have any question about any of the strategies, kindly drop them in the comment section, or you ask me personally, most especially if you have a personal question. Okay, I will always be there on the WhatsApp. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.